Namaskar. We will learn Kapalbhati pranayama. Kapal is this frontal region, frontal sinus region in this area. Bhati means purification of this frontal sinus passage. In our normal breathing, there is active inhalation and passive exhalation. We exert to inhale, but to exhale, we do not exert. You can check your normal breathing. This is the normal process of the breathing. Here, the process is reversed. We exert to exhale and wait to inhale. And for exhalation, we use abdominal region to contract. And actually this is cleansing practice through high pressure of air. With the help of this abdominal contraction, we create high pressure of air, and that comes rapidly out through this nostrils and clean this area. When we exert pressure to exhale, lungs is contracted, and because of the elasticity of the lungs, it comes into its normal position, it's on. So there is a spontaneous inhalation. So key point of this practice is you exert to exhale and wait to inhale. See how do we do? This is done like this. So in this way, we can do 20 times exhalation, then one deep breathe in and breathe out will make one round of the practice. Beginners can do 10 times exhalation and then one deep breathe in, breathe out will make one round. I am showing you one round, means 20 times exhalation, then one deep breathe in and breathe out will make one round. The spine should be straight and eyes should be remain closed throughout the practice. So this is one round of the practice. In this way we can do 5 to 10 rounds as required. After completing your rounds, you just become aware of the dark space in front of your closed eyes. And you will feel the thoughtless state of the mind or the minimum thoughts in the mind. One should not forget to enjoy that state of the mind. And remember one thing, that each time you exhale, an inhalation becomes on. This is not that you breathe out 20 times in installment. Another thing that one should begin this practice with normal breathing. This is not to inhale like I am doing wrong, I am showing you wrong. This is the wrong way of doing inhalation. And and in installment you breathe out, then your air is finished. If you do very fast, then you will feel the lightheadedness, dizziness. So it should be neither very slow nor very fast. People suffering from complications like heart disease, very high blood pressure, ulcer, hernia, vertigo, epilepsy, stroke, they should do under the guidance of a yoga teacher. Or by doing this practice, if you feel uneasy, then either reduce the number of rounds or stop your practice. This is pranayama, but this is one of the cleansing practice in the Satkarma. In Hatha Yoga, there are 6 cleansing practices, and this is one of the cleansing practice. That's why this is very important for the modern people living in this complicated, polluted world. Another thing that this pranayama balances the 2 main nadis, that is called Ira or Pingla. Or you can understand like that it brings balance into the physical energy and mental energy. This pranayama is very important pranayama because through asana we can stretch the different part of the body, but we cannot do anything to the visceral organs which is inside, like liver, pancreas, gallbladder and other part. We can't stretch that too. Through this pranayama, we create contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. It creates a squeezing effect into the visceral organs, and blood circulation improves to those organs, and they work at the optimum level, and our overall health improves. Assimilation, digestion, and excretion, metabolism, all improves. That's why one should incorporate this pranayama to one's daily yogic practice. Thank you.